So here's one of the fastest ways to start making money with network marketing. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I am assuming that you're into network marketing or thinking about getting into network marketing and you want to be successful with it. All right. So I'm about to share with you a very, very simple tip to help you start making money as fast as possible as a network marketer. If you do this one thing, it will drastically speed up your network marketing success. So that one thing that you need to do right now is get an accountability partner. Now, before you say, wait a minute, damn all that, what are you talking about, man? I'm involved with several Facebook groups and I watch webinars. I attend live webinars and I ask questions and all that. That's fine. That's great. But what I'm saying is you need to get one, maybe two people, but let's just say one person that you interact with that is your accountability partner. So you can find this person in a Facebook group, right? You can find them, offline, right? You can find them on YouTube, wherever, right? Now, ideally, you want to find somebody that's in the same company as you. But if you can't, for whatever reason, find somebody who is at least doing network marketing. Maybe they're in another company, because ultimately the same strategies and same marketing methods, you pretty much use them in every opportunity. Like let's be real. So the key is find somebody who is on your same mindset. Find somebody who is serious about network marketing. Find somebody with the same goals as you, right? So if you're trying to get into the game, you're like, yo, I'm trying to make $5,000-$10,000 in network marketing, right? You don't want an accountability partner who just doing it, if they can earn maybe an extra $50 a month. No. You want to find somebody on the same level as you. The key here when it comes to finding an accountability partner, this is somebody that you need to actually interact with, whether it be on the phone, whether it be on Zoom, Facebook, live chat, whatever you need to do. This is somebody that you need to interact with on a regular basis. So once you find an accountability partner, you guys know what it takes, right, to market your business, like we all do. Whatever, if you're using YouTube or Facebook or offline marketing, everybody knows what they need to do to grow their network marketing business, right? To get leads and start building your team. Everybody knows what to do. The problem is most people just don't do it. They're not consistent with it, right? So when you get your accountability partner, you guys work out the details. Are you guys going to meet, once a week, once every other week, or once a month? Me personally, I would say at least once a week or once every other week, all right? So the first meeting you get when you talk to your person, when you first find that accountability partner, you guys want to, chop it up and, come up with what are your goals, what needs to be done. The goal might be something like, yo, we need one new team member a week, right? So that's the goal, one new team member a week. So you sit back and you guys know what you guys need to do. You could even take it a step further and say, okay, well, what are you planning on doing to get that one new team member, right? So one person might say, all right, well, I'm going to do 5 Facebook posts and I'm gonna go live on Facebook once a week. So 1 Facebook live and 5 posts, right? I'm just giving an example. Then somebody else, you might be a YouTuber. So you might be like, all right, well, my thing is I'm going to do 2 long form videos and 2 shorts, YouTube shorts a week. That's what I'm doing, right? So not only when you get back with your accountability partner, the first thing you need to talk about is, okay, did you do your marketing strategy? Did you complete your task? Did you post, your Facebook live and your Facebook posts? Did you do your YouTube videos and shorts, right? That's what y'all first need to talk about. And if you guys aren't, validating each other and holding each other accountable, that right there is important. Because if the person didn't do what they're supposed to do, you need to say, well, what happened? You know what I'm saying? Like, why didn't you get your videos? Did you do yours? Yeah, I did mine. All right, we good, right? The next thing is, hey, did you reach your goal? Did that person get that one new member, right? Did you get your new member, right? So after you guys figure all that, you went over to, did you achieve your marketing goals? Did you actually achieve your new team member goal, right? Then after that, help each other out. Go over the strategies. What can you do better? What should you stop doing? Like, help each other out. Then you want to set the new bar for the next meeting. Maybe it's still, all right, we still on one new team member a week, right? If you guys are doing really good, maybe y'all want to up the ante a little bit and actually, make it where you get 2 team members a week. That's the goal, right? I found that having accountability partners really motivate a lot of people. Some people just ain't gonna do shit regardless, but a lot of people will find that motivation that they've been lacking just because they don't want to let somebody else down, right? Or they don't like to lose in a competition, because sometimes when you do accountability, you're like, yo, I ain't gonna let this person outdo me, right? Whereas if they didn't have accountability partner, it's very easy to sit there and be like, you know what, I was gonna do a YouTube video today, but shit, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm fine, I'll be all right. But when you know what I'm saying, you got to meet with your accountability partner tomorrow, you don't want to sit there and be like, damn, yeah, I didn't do it, right? And then, man, don't let your other partner actually they did all of their marketing and they got a new team member, and you didn't complete your marketing and you didn't get a new team member. You're going to feel like trash. So if you've been struggling with network marketing or thinking about getting into it and you're a little nervous about it, being successful with it, like, get you an accountability partner. They are so easy to find. Like I said, look in Facebook groups, right? Now, mind you, you want serious ass people. You don't want just like people, weirdos, ain't even into it. They just kind of just like, right? You want to actually kind of vet these people, talk to them first, and ask them about their company or how long they've been in the opportunity and blah blah blah, right? And then see if they be willing to be an accountability partner. So I think you will be very surprised on the results that you will get just by having an accountability partner for a couple of months. So if you decide to get an accountability partner, come back to this video and comment below and let me know how's it going for you and your partner. Because there is no damn reason why you can't be successful in network marketing.